Hi, this is Brian from GoFiles.com. With us today is the Sirius RGB LED strip. Yes, you heard that correct. Sirius, as in S-I-R-I-U-S. Now, the LED strip, as I mentioned earlier, it's RGB. Hence, you can see in this video as I cycle through the various colors available. This LED strip comes with a controller. And as you can see, the colors are changing. That's because I'm changing the colors through the controller. The controller also allows you various options like fading or quick blinking of lights and many other options which I won't be covering on this video. Okay, that's all we have for today. Thank you for viewing the demonstration of the Sirius RGB LED strip. Signing off, Brian from GoFiles.com. Thank you for watching.